stained glass take and make. With 3 items, very simple to put together and very fun. Use them to brighten up your windows, to decorate your room, anywhere where you just need that little pop of color. I'm Rachel and I'll be showing you how to make these fun crafts today. Your first step you're going to want to do is to remove the paper backing from one side of your contact paper. You're going to want to peel off the white paper on one side. Make sure you be careful with this part because contact paper is very sticky. Your next step is to tear or cut your tissue paper into smaller pieces. It doesn't really matter how you do this, just make it into smaller pieces that you can put together. Place them together on the sticky side of the contact paper and make a little design. When the surface of your contact paper is covered, cut the glitter cardstock to frame the edges. I like to cut mine into these long, thin pieces to frame it easier, but you can do it how you like. You can make your frame a heart, a circle, any shape you'd like. The only limit is your imagination and how well your scissors can cut. Add your glitter paper frame around the edges, glitter side down so it sticks out when you peel away the other end of the backing. And finally, peel the paper backing away from the other side and stick to a window or to a wall. If you stick it this way, then the glittery side will show through the window and it'll be really pretty to see from the outside. And you're done! You have a beautiful piece of artwork. Enjoy your stained glass creation. Once you finish your creation, upload a photo to social media of your completed project to share your work. DM us the photo or tag @Mesa County Lib in your post.